If you're a custom or promotional product online retailer, listen up. The Custom Product Builder's easy-to-implement product customization and personalization software allows e-commerce and in-store customers to configure and preview every component of your inventory before purchasing, similar to picking out the color, rims, and options for a custom vehicle. In the past, merchants would spend years and thousands of dollars for this type of customization, but the Custom Product Builder makes it fast and affordable. Our solution can be used to showcase any product on a number of specific platforms such as Shopify and Magento. Increase customer loyalty and engagement through our sleek desktop, mobile, and in-store friendly interface. Set your business apart from the competition. Click on the link below to schedule a free demo. Be at the forefront of the customization revolution with the Custom Product Builder.